Okay, here's your Hotpoint GE washer, and this one would not agitate. The motor would come on, but it would just, it's no agitate. And so this unit has a inner piece that goes inside this piece here, and so this piece fits inside of there. It bolts on the main shaft, transmission shaft here, and then that pops over it. And so what has happened is the splines in here have become just a little bit ragged, and I cleaned them up and then put some OSFO on them to stop the rust. And the splines inside there have started to go bad. So what I've done in order to repair this, and I've done this before and had pretty good luck with it, you can see I've drilled holes. There's 4 holes in here. Actually there's 8 holes because I drilled some in the center there. And so what I'll do is I'll take some JB Weld and then put some JB Weld on the inner splines, and as well I'll put some down here. And JB Weld is a pretty good product. You want to get the slow weld kind, because to me the quick weld doesn't work as good as the slow weld. So once I've got that in there, then I'll take a screwdriver and tighten down the screws, and hopefully it'll be good to go.